Hi everyone, it's Casey over here from Casey's Corner and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be basically a palette bingo using this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette called Sultry. Do you have this palette? If you do and you haven't used it in a while, then I would recommend you basically grab it. And you can create the same makeup look that I am going to be creating by randomly selecting 5 different shades using palette bingo. And basically it's going to be basically a video showing you guys how I recreated this look. So hope you enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys now. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So I'm ready for palette bingo today. I'm going to be using the Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and basically we're going to select some shades. Now I'm going to actually put this in my background because I think that would be really cool. So we have the palette. Who remembers this palette? Please comment down below. Currently filming my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation review, and I was like, let me just take out an oldie Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and this is the one that I brought out. It's absolutely beautiful, and let's make it interesting by doing a palette bingo. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to be choosing 5 shades from these 14 shades. So let's ask Siri. Hi Siri, can you pick a random number from 1 to 14? 1. Okay, we always get the 1. Okay, so the first shade that we're going to be using is this shade right here, which is called Fresh. 1. Like, I don't understand. No. Can you choose another number from 1 to 14? No, it's not working today. 12. Okay, so we have 12. Okay, so 12 would be, this one, which is called, no, not Cyborg, damn it. Dystoplan. Dystoplan. Okay, so that's number 12. 13. Okay, 13. Oh, actually, very happy about that. So we have Cyborg, which is that one right there. 4. Okay, so we have Rose Quartz, which is another beautiful shade, which is that one right there. 9. So we have that one right there. Okay, so I'm actually going to swatch them out. We have Fresh, which is that one right there. Okay, then we have Rose Quartz, one right there. We have Twig and Dystoplan, and then we also have Cyborg. So those are actually the shades that we have for today's video. I'm just going to use a random eBay brush for this. I think using Fresh to basically apply it all over my eyelid, because why not? And I'm just going to emphasize it in my crease, kind of, as you can see, like setting my eyelid up in a way. I haven't even done my brows yet. Okay, so that's Fresh applied. For my brows, I'm using my February Shop My Stash February makeup brow products. This is the e.l.f. This is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So that's what I'm using for my brows. And also the Brow Revival from Max Factor, which I absolutely love. I love my brows. They're beautifully, naturally full. Very grateful to my brows. Okay, this is soon finished, so I'm literally just using this product to finish it off, but I absolutely love this brow product from e.l.f. And I'm just gonna set the hairs in place. That's better. Okay, so we used one shade so far, so I think what I want to use is the Twig shade, because this shade again right here. Okay, so I'm going to use Twig, and I'm just going to first start applying this in my crease like that, and then just drag it down a bit. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So you think it's like a lighter brown on the pan, but it's actually quite a deep brown when you first apply it. So then I think you take a bit of time to blend it, it turns into a very beautiful, like, very beautiful brown, as you can see. So, I like that. Now we're going to put in dystopian. Oh my god, now I understood the word dystopian. I thought it was dystoplan. I'm like, what is that word? Dystopian. I'm just literally going to apply just a little bit, not a lot. And I'm going to angle my brush in my outer corner, but I'm literally planting it like so. And then what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna use my other brush and I'm going to blend this. First I'm going to I'm gonna go into circular motions where I have actually applied it. So like that, and then I'm going to just drag it in, but not all the way, so like halfway, because I want to emphasize it in my crease, but only halfway. It's like creating a bit of a smoky eye, like that. You see how easy? Very, very easy, but you have to just be careful how much product you use. So again, angling, press. I'm going to circular motions and just drag. I'm a bit like caught up which shimmer shade to use all over. So I think I'm going to use both of the shimmer shades on my base. Now I think what I will do first is I'm going to apply Cyborg, and I'm just going to use my finger for this because I prefer using my finger. Now Cyborg is a beautiful, beautiful shade, and I'm just going to place that in my inner part of my eyelid, and then I'm going to actually just drag it a bit, because why not? It's a very pretty shimmer shade. And then I'm going to take rose quartz as well, and rose quartz is like a copper, like rose gold, obviously rose quartz, and I'm just going to place that in the other part of my base, and then I'm going to apply Cyborg on top of it. So it's like, I don't know, shimmer all round, but like mostly focusing on Cyborg, but then having a bit of rose quartz. And then what we can do is I'm going to take the dystopian shade and just blend it with rose quartz. I think that will work actually. So I'm gonna do the same thing now on the other eye, and I'm gonna take my brush of Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm gonna apply Cyborg actually on my inner corner, like that. And to complete the look, I'm going to apply Twig, which is that light brown shade. And I want to apply Twig, I don't want to apply anything else. And I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. Okay, so that is basically my eyes applied. And this is the look I created thanks to Palette Bingo. Obviously, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And I'm gonna use the Panorama mascara from L'Oreal. Absolutely love this mascara. So off camera I went and I finished my makeup, and basically this is the finished look. This was the color story that we had going on for today's video. So we had these 5 different shades, and then this is the makeup look that I created using those 5 different eye shades from the Sultry palette. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have the Sultry palette, maybe you can take it out and maybe try the same look, or else play some palette bingo yourselves. I don't know, it's important, I suppose, to just like have fun with makeup as well, and I feel like that's what palette bingo allows me to do. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, that is today's video. Very short, very sweet, with some palette bingo. So I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and see you soon. Ciao!